In this video, we will complete a bucket list ride to Clewiston, Florida, and Lake Okeechobee, the liquid life of the state of Florida. We will begin at Alligator Alley, Harley-Davidson in Sunrise, Florida, travel 36 minutes west, halfway across I-75, also known as Alligator Alley, where we will intersect with County Road 833, also known as Snake Road. Here we will visit the Mikasuki Service Plaza, which is the only gas station in Alligator Alley and your only chance to fuel up or grab some refreshments while crossing. Next, we will travel 1 hour and 10 minutes north on the scenic Snake Road, passing through the Big Cypress Reservation of the Seminole Tribe of Florida with thousands of gators just off the roadside, and ultimately arrive at our destination of Scotty's Tiki Bar sitting right on Lake Okeechobee. Finally, we will visit the beautiful John Stretch Memorial Park, where we will take in a personal view of Lake Okeechobee. So come backpack with us for some scenic views and a good time. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're here in Sunrise, Florida at the Harley-Davidson dealer with my boy Bill once again.
What's up?
It's been a minute, but we're back at it. And today we'll be doing a bucket list ride of mine. We've been trying to plan this for a while now. So we're going to be taking Snake Road, which is highway something. But
Snake Road.
Yeah, Snake Road. So I just went and fact checked myself. State Road 833. And we'll be going up to Clewiston. And here comes one of my boys.
What up?
Yeah, what's up, bro?
How are you?
Good, good, man. Beautiful day here in South Florida. So we'll be going through the Indian reservation through the heart of the Everglades. Who knows what we're going to see out there? Maybe some snakes, gators, moccasins. Who knows?
Definitely gators. Definitely gators.
Freedom is the wind hitting my face. Freedom is a Harley on the highway. Freedom is the song that the engine plays, playing my cares and my stress away. Freedom is two wheels and no restraints. Freedom is God country and no chains. Let freedom reign, January through December. It's a Picasso Moto Adventure.
Talking to your, narrating your video without responding.
Okay, we're looking clear and we're off, ladies and gents. So we're leaving the Harley-Davidson dealership here and getting ready to go on to State Road 84. Got a full tank of gas. It is the perfect day for this. This was the perfect riding day. With partly cloudy skies and a temperature of approximately 70 degrees, we headed westbound on State Road 84, past Markham Park, which is, in my opinion, the best park in Broward County. The park consists of a dog park, beautiful lakes, a shooting range, mountain bike trail, butterfly trail, Everglades access, and much more. In a matter of minutes, we would merge onto I-75 toward Alligator Alley. Both of us on Harley-Davidson motorcycles, myself on a Fat Bob, and Bill on a Nightster during the daytime. To officially welcome you into Alligator Alley, there's a toll plaza to hit you for a few dollars just to make your load a little bit lighter before you cross. If you look to my right at the white and yellow sign, that is a move over for stopped emergency vehicle sign. In the state of Florida, it is illegal to pass an emergency vehicle at a high rate of speed, and you actually have to move over one lane when there's an emergency vehicle stopped. Many Florida state troopers have lost their lives on the roadside due to careless or distracted drivers. After traveling approximately 30 minutes into Alligator Alley, we arrived at the Mikasuki Service Plaza, which is your only opportunity to grab some fuel and a refreshment if you're crossing, or partially crossing in our case. Here we are, the Mikasuki Service Plaza. Oh, look, it's a mini casino.
Yeah.
Bro, this mongo pooped on my freaking helmet. Okay, ready? Oh, look at that. It's already looking snake roadish. Yeah, it is looking snaky. After topping off with fuel and helping myself to a Tabasco Slim Jim, snap into a Slim Jim, we proceeded north on Snake Road and instantly took notice of what Bill termed the snakiness or serpentining of the road. Okay, so we just stopped here in the middle of Snake Road. We're like practically right at the center, the middle of Snake Road. And I'm gonna put the drone up and see if I can capture the snakiness, as Bill puts it. So all the drone video you guys are about to see is going to be shot on this, the brand new DJI Neo, which is this little tiny drone. So let's see what we get. As the DJI Neo bird takes flight, it gives us a bird-eye view of how far in the middle of nowhere we really are, surrounded by wetlands and thousands of alligators. We also get to catch a bird-eye glimpse of the snakiness of Snake Road, a road named not because of an abundance of snakes, even though there is an abundance of snakes, but named because of how the road serpentines. Oh, cool. Oh, nice. Okay, guys, so here we are. We're about to enter the Big Cypress Reservation of the Seminole Tribe of Florida. And nice big photo op here. So we're going to take some photos of the bikes here and look out for alligators and snakes. And we're off. Might help if I get back out of neutral and put it in first. That would be a great idea.
It does help.
Yeah, you know. Entering Seminole Indian Reservation. Okay, so we're now entering Hendry County. I don't know if that means we're out of the Indian reservation.
No, we're still in it.
No.
Now the baby gator right over here.
Oh yeah, I see that one little baby, little fella.
Another one right here.
Yeah. Yep, definitely gator infested, that's for sure. So we're approaching the Junior Cypress Rodeo Arena, right here on the left. Yeehaw! Look at that. This is my first time seeing an actual rodeo arena. That is pretty cool. Oh man, I would love to go to a rodeo. With 37 minutes left to arriving at our destination, we missed our exit and had to bang a U-turn onto Highway 835 toward Clewiston. There are few feelings more liberating than cruising the Florida back roads on two wheels, taking in the fresh oxygen as the wind hits your face and all of your cares are just played away by the sound of the engine. Florida's version of a twisty. And we're at Highway 27. Yeah, I think I'm probably going to just pull up into that little median over there first. Into this area here first and try to sneak in and try. Okay, after this little semi here, we should be good to go. And we're off. There we are. City of Clewiston, baby. Clewiston city limit.
Here we are, Francisco Road. Good signal.
Yep.
Sweet.
You know, let's see if there's anywhere cool to park. It looks different from the last time I was here. Okay guys, so we made it here to Clewiston. We've had some bug casualties on our helmets. So we're gonna go in now, grab some food. Scotty's Tiki bar sits right on Lake Okeechobee with delicious food. There is also a gift shop in case you want to grab a t-shirt, a souvenir, maybe even a pair of sunglasses, a hat, or a refreshment. Okay. Leaving the Tiki bar. A little bit of sun, so I got my visor down. The Clewiston Marathon. I'm gonna take the shady side over here.
Alright.
After fueling up our bodies and then fueling up our bikes, we continued southbound on Highway 27 toward Lake Harbor, Florida, and the John Stretch Memorial Park. Here, as long as you look out for gators, you will live to enjoy the Lake Okeechobee Scenic Trail with stunning views of Lake Okeechobee in this peaceful and tranquil park. Lake Okeechobee is the largest natural freshwater lake in Florida and the 8th largest in the United States with an average depth of 9 feet. Lake Okeechobee is also a critical source of water supply to the state. We exited the park, completing yet another bucket list ride and awesome adventure. Now it was time to head back home. Southbound we go on Highway 27 toward Broward County, where we would plan the next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like. Also, share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoy motorcycle content, traveling, or adventures, then maybe you should just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, my corny catchphrase, peace up, 2 wheels down.